you pronounce this acronym?
MOUA.
MOUA?
MOUA.
MOUA?
MOUA.
MOUA.
Do you know what this stands for?
I have no idea.
My only underwear are.
It stands for the Museum of Underwater Art.
Close. Definitely heard of them.
What do you know about MOUA?
They have art that's underwater.
You have one piece viewable near the jetty.
It's an international sculptor who creates beautiful pieces of art under the ocean and creates basically a little ecosystem for fish and coral and everything else to grow on, and it will stay there forever.
The Museum of Underwater Art is a complex, exciting, interesting project. Museum, let's start there. It's places that we value. Underwater, well, to me it's the Great Barrier Reef and the marine environment. And art is something that everyone can relate to in one way or another, and it starts a conversation. So MOUA brings together a whole range of different disciplines and people to start a conversation about something we really value, the Great Barrier Reef. By promoting the reef and underwater art and doing it on such a significant scale that it is going to attract a lot of people and something that the locals are really going to be proud of, yep, it's a game changer.
I would definitely go out to the reef to see it.
Yes, I'm interested to see more. That's what we need to do, is attract new people to Townsville. I think it's exciting.
It's going to be something awesome for the reef.
I'd love to go dive down there and have a look at it.
So excited.